Good morning. I am Satyanand and my colleague Mr. Abubakar is here to show you some activities. We are from Science Academy. In today's program, we are going to show you what is refraction and the lateral shift. Lateral shift is a measure of distance between the undeviated ray and the emergent ray. Let us see how these things are going to be done. Let's focus on this slide. This tells you this is the incident ray and this is the different medium when compared to air, and it should be transparent. When light ray enters from one medium to the other medium, it bends. There is a shift in the path of the light ray. This is called refraction. This is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is the emergent ray. Now let us study the lateral shift along with the refraction. This is the incident ray. When it is passing through the transparent medium, it has undergone refraction and it has come out as an emergent ray. Thinking that there is no transparent medium present in the path of the incident ray, when you draw a straight line that is being indicated by dotted line, the distance between the emergent ray and the undeviated ray is called lateral shift. This is a function of angle of incidence. As the angle of incidence increases, lateral shift increases. Let us try to understand how the lateral shift is going to be measured using the experimental activity. Yes, now we are using the laser beam. Bakar has already drawn the outline of the slide. He is tracing the incident ray and the emergent ray. We have to put two dots on the incident ray and emergent ray. This completes half the experiment. Now join these 2 points and extend it towards the glass slab and please give arrowhead indication to find out the incident ray and the emergent ray. On the incident ray also please give arrowhead. Yeah, you already given. Now you draw the straight line thinking that there is no incident, there is no glass slab. Use the dotted line. Bakar, very good. Now yes. And please indicate it as LS, lateral shift. Yes, similarly, incident ray, you mean IR. Now, this is the incident ray and this is the glass slab, and since it is a transparent one, light is entering from air to glass slab and then coming out of the glass slab. This is known as emergent ray. The distance between the undeviated ray given by dotted line and the emergent ray is called lateral shift. This changes with respect to change in angle of incidence. This is how the lateral shift and the refraction are studied. Refraction through glass slab are studied. If you like this activity, please follow us, and if you want to have the hands-on experience, you are most welcome to the Science Academy, Narayanguda, Hyderabad.